Hello, Lulurala friends. My name is David Teacher. How are you today? I'm happy. Okay, now we are going to review a hamburger. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Let's look at the words we learned for making a hamburger. First we have, a yummy, yummy bun. Can everyone say bun? Bun, bun, bun. Let's look, what do we put in the bun? Of course, number one, we need a patty. Can everyone say patty? Patty, patty. Great job. What do we want on the patty? I love tomatoes. Let's look, everyone. Tomato, 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 tomato. I like tomatoes on my hamburger. Next, I want crunchy, crunchy lettuce. Can everyone say lettuce? Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. I want tomatoes and I want lettuce on my hamburger. What else? Yes, I want cheese too. Can everyone say cheese? Cheese, cheese, cheese. So tomato, lettuce, cheese. What else do we want on our burger? I love this too. Can everyone please say onion? Onion, onion, onion. I want onions on my hamburger too. And here, what is this delicious vegetable? It's a cucumber. Cucumber. Can everyone please say cucumber? Cucumber, cucumber. And we make cucumbers into pickles to put on the hamburger. Okay, thank you, Lulurala friends. See you next time.